teachers' unions across the country have argued forcefully for 6 feet of distancing, and have lobbied the CDC and the Biden administration to maintain the previous guidance. On Friday, Randy Weingarten, president of the American Federation of Teachers, the nation's second-largest educators union, released a statement saying she would reserve judgment on the new distancing guidelines pending further review of research on how the virus behaves in school settings. Becky Pringle, president of the largest teachers union, the National Education Association, raised similar concerns. At the White House virus briefing on Friday, Dr. Walensky said she had spoken to the teachers' unions. They know that we need to follow the science and to make our guidance based on that science. And they've been very respectful of that, she said. Still, the statement from the CDC lags behind some local health agencies across the country. Illinois and Massachusetts have already indicated that 3 feet of distance can be appropriate in schools. County-level health officials have also played an important role in guiding the decisions of school boards and superintendents, who have often been overwhelmed by conflicting public health guidelines. Dr. Walensky explained that the agency is always updating its guidance as new evidence becomes available. A recent study in Boston found no significant differences in the number of infections in school districts in Massachusetts that adopted a 3-foot rule, when compared with those that required 6 feet of distance. Additional CDC studies examining safety in schools were also released Friday. The new guidance emphasizes that good airflow and ventilation in school buildings is a critical component of maintaining a safe environment, and continues to stress multiple layers of preventive behaviors including universal masking, hand washing, cleaning buildings and doing contact tracing, combined with isolation and quarantine. Adults in schools must continue to stay 6 feet apart from other adults and from students, officials said. The 6-foot rule still applies in common areas of schools like lobbies and auditoriums. Anytime students are eating or drinking and cannot wear a mask. And during activities that involve more exhalation, like singing, shouting, band practice, sports or any exercise. Activities that should be moved outdoors or to large well-ventilated spaces whenever possible.